Hi there, Patty here from Chatty Patty's Place, and today I have another product for you from SJ Works. This here is another one of their emergency first aid essential kits for your bike. This is a saddle pouch first aid kit, which is designed to fit underneath your bike seat, as seen here. And this comes with a lot of things inside. First of all, you have all these bandages in here. You can see you have all different size bandages tucked snugly in to this pocket. Let's see what else we have. Okay, so you're going to get 3 of these sterile non-woven sponges. Make that. Some of these non-adherent pads. You have an eye pad for eye injuries. You also have a bunch of antiseptic towelettes. A triangular bandage. Emergency blanket, which is nicely folded to keep you warm in case you were to fall and get trapped in cold water or something. That you can pull it out. It comes with a first aid kit that has a lot of good information, and it teaches you how to do CPR and the Heimlich maneuver and things like that. This is an American Red Cross first aid guide. It's very useful. It also comes with this snap-on bracelet that's a reflective that you can wear so that you can be seen at night. You're also going to get a pressure bandage, 2 of those, and some tape, medical tape. And lastly, you're going to get this reflector light that does not need batteries. So all of these items are going to come in your saddle pouch bicycle kit. It's made of a nice, durable, waterproof material. It is reflective, as you can see. It adheres with a little snap here. Also has Velcro. Keep it in place. And these are available on Amazon.com. And the company name is SJ Works. They do have 2 other bicycle first aid kits available in different sizes. If you look for my review, I also have another one for the triangular kit that would fit on the front part of your bike. So look for them on Amazon.com. You can also go to my website, www.chattypattysplace.com, where I will also have this review listed, and you can get the links there to order this kit. You have a great day.